Hey guys, how are you today? I want to make another video, Fix It Pros, making a cell phone repair franchise, episode number 12. Now, I've been here a little while, but I've been kind of busy. With the new iPhone X, the new series of the X's that just came out, we've been looking at the aftermarket LCDs. And right now, we've seen the X drop to about $120 for the aftermarket, the wholesale price just for the LCD. And we're seeing the XR. They're I think they're like refurbished, so they're about $339 in the market. XS around the same price. XS Max is probably like around $350 around there. But those are the refurbished ones. So I have been talking to my supplier, and they're kind of saying that in the near future, hopefully a lot sooner, they are going to come out with the high copy for the XS, and hopefully I asked the question, are they going to be under $50? Because that's what we saw the iPhone 8 and the 8 Plus when they first came out. They were like $350 range, and then they dropped in price under $30 after like 3 to 5 months. So I'm hoping that that same thing's going to happen, because that's obviously we see the three styles that just came out are all that X type, without the home button, and those LED LCDs. So that's a little concern, because we saw that the X, which was a LED price, didn't drop after a year. I mean, it literally just dropped recently, but it was still in the $350. It was still in $200, like even 8-9 months into it, even a year into it. And now we're just seeing the price drop to about 110, 120. So I'm hoping that that's not the case for these LCDs, because that'll kind of hurt our industry doing the repairs. Because why would a customer pay $300-400 when they can go to the Apple Store and get an original for $300, $299? So that's just a little concern of mine. Let me know if you guys hear anything about when these LCDs are supposed to drop, and let us know. But yeah, just keep on pushing through about this industry. If that drops, then we're going to be doing this for a while now. So not to say that if they don't, that we're going to be out of business, but as we're seeing, like, again with these Samsungs, that the LCDs are still very expensive. Even like an iPhone, a Samsung S6 LCD is still like like $100, $115, plus the installation. So hopefully we're going to see this with the iPhones, and then that'll give us a good longevity for the next 5 to 10 years. But let me know what you guys think, and if you like to see more videos, please subscribe, give us a like. Hey, we're almost to 1,000. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. We're actually close to 800, and just a little bit more, we're going to be close to 1,000. All right, guys, thank you so much, and give us a like. Have a great day.